Hello mga ka-fated! So ayan, this is a quick message for all the leaders and pastors inside of the church and yung mga nagko-correct ng mga kapatiran nila sa loob ng church. And gusto ko lang sabihin na kapag nagko-correct tayo, dapat with love and compassion and hindi yung correction na merong judgment, conclusion agad, and then condemnation sa isang tao na para sinasabi mo na ina-advisean nga natin pero parang sinasabi natin na ikaw kasi ganyan. Yun yung labas or tone natin na kapag nagko-correct tayo, which is mali. Dapat kapag nagko-correct tayo, gamitin natin or gawin natin yung paano si Jesus Christ na paano niya tayo kino-correct, kino-convict din with love and compassion. Let the Holy Spirit convict someone or let the Holy Spirit convict that person. Nandito lang tayo to guide them, to correct them with love and compassion. And that's all. Thank you for listening and God bless.